Company Profiles Cnmoulding is a high-tech enterprise specializing in the design, production, and machining of two-shot overmolding molds. With years of industry experience and advanced manufacturing technology, we are committed to providing high-quality, high-precision, two-shot injection mold solutions for industries such as consumer electronics, medical devices, automotive parts, and home appliances. Core business: two-shot overmolding molds. Two-shot overmolding, also known as dual material or multi-material molding, is an advanced injection molding process that combines two different plastics or colors in a single production cycle, enhancing product functionality, aesthetics, and durability. Cnmoulding excels in this field with the following advantages: precision design and engineering, Utalysis CAD, CCM software for mold structure optimization, ensuring stability and accuracy in injection molding. Supports complex two-shot designs, including soft-hard material bonding, multicolor combinations, and transparent, opaque integrations. High-quality materials and processes. This is premium mold steels, for example, S136, 718H, with heat and surface treatments to extend mold lifespan. Strict control of injection parameters to eliminate weld lines, air bubbles, or diverse applications: consumer electronics, phone buttons, earphone casings, wearable devices, automotive parts, dual-color buttons, seals, interior components, medical devices, non-slip grips, soft-touch housings, household items, toothbrush handles, tool grips. Technical advantages: two-shot molding machines, compatible with rotary plate, coreback, and other two-shot molding methods. Rapid prototyping and mass production, short lead time from design to trial molding, accelerating time to market. Strict QC system, ensures dimensional and functional accuracy via 3D scanning, CMM, and other inspection methods. Service commitments: Cnmoulding prioritizes customer needs, offering one-stop solutions. Mold design consultation gives production, and machining gives trial. Molding gives mass production support. Flexible customization for both small batches and large-scale manufacturing. Contact us for professional two-shot overmolding solutions. Cnmoulding is your trusted partner. Visit our website or contact us directly for technical details and case studies.